Welcome back guys, and in today's video we're gonna make a chocolate chip cookie tutorial style, but before that let's open one up just like this one. Chocolatey, and go. So welcome back guys, and in today's video we're gonna make a chocolate chip cookie as advertised in my intro. So the first thing we'll need is we're gonna use this rubber scraper as it would be easier to use. So the first thing we'll need is a 60-gram room temperature butter and a half cup brown sugar. And we're just gonna mix them, and then we're just gonna add 1/4 cup white sugar, and we're just also gonna mix them, all three of them. So let's just mix them and until all of them are mixed. It smells good. And let's add one more ingredient, 1 egg at room temperature. So let's just pour that and mix all of those. So mixing, and then let's add another ingredient, 1 cup flour with a strainer, and let's just strain that, and there you go. And then let's add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and also strain that, and let's just mix that, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and also mix all of those until it would all blend all together, and it would be this texture. So let's just move those aside a bit so that it would be easier for us to add 1 pack of button chocolate. I said button because this is not chocolate chips, and I just sliced them up. So let's just mix them all up, and here you go. So as you can see here, we have our chocolate chip, our chocolate in our cookie dough. So as you can see, for every part of the cookie dough there's a chocolate part of it. So let's put it in the oven metal thing, and let's just form this into a ball using a spoon and my hand. So after making this one, let's just fast forward and make more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there you go. After putting it in the oven for 150 degrees Celsius and for 10 minutes, this is the result. So easy, and goodbye.